morning. I was asked to do a review on this new LED lighting company, D&D Lighting. I think they're local. They got a 313 number. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing and review on it. Who we are. This is from D&D Lighting. Their goal is to provide high quality LED lighting fixtures at affordable cost for small indoor, local, or commercial growers for all types of vegetation. And then it also says we ensure our product will meet and exceed your expectations. So we will find out what I got here. This one is the DD-XB1. Includes in this box aluminum heat sink, passive cooled, quantum board, 576 pieces, Samsung LM301H, top bin diodes, 3.03. We got vegetation footprint of 5.5 by 5.5 on dual mode. We also have flower footprint of 4.5 by 4.5 feet, and that's also on dual mode. Lifespan boasting 50,000 hours. They have a Meanwell 240 watt driver. They also have a dimming potentiometer. Comes with a 1-year warranty on the quantum board, 4-year warranty on the Meanwell driver. So yeah, let's open it up, take a look, see what we got here. Oh, they give you some gloves. D&D Lighting gloves for all your gardening work. And we got a spec sheet here. Comes with instructions. And ballast. Cool. Some hanging clips, adjustable. All the wires, hanging stuff for the wires. And then we have the actual panel itself, pretty thin. Cover it up here, protect it, so it's good. And the actual panel itself. So I get this all set up. See what it looks like, all ready to go. So basically, when you flip this board over, you're gonna connect just the black wire into the LED negative. Then you're going to take the red wire and you're going to put it in the LED positive. And these clip it in there. Once it's in there, it clips down on it, so it holds it pretty securely. You then got yourself this little baggie. And it comes with eye hooks and a nut. And you're gonna go basically on all four corners. Drop in the eye hook, screw on the nut. The final test is plug this sucker in. See what we got. Woo! Very little heat. Red diodes, white diodes. So it's more perfect for a little better for a flowering platform, but it does say it does do veg. So we got the potentiometer here, and as you can see, as we crank it up, and bring it back down, works pretty well. Very, very lightweight. All right, we'll kill this. We'll go get this thing hung up downstairs. See how it looks all set up. All right, so we've got the preliminary set up. Still have to clean up some electrical and just tie up some of the loose ends. But basically I've got each side hooked up. And the board seems to be functioning pretty well. The array looks good. All the LEDs are on. There's no dark spots in the board. And let's check the potentiometer here. Yeah, it's up all the way. And then you can dim it back. Works pretty good. But I would suggest doing a 2-point system for hanging it instead of a 1-point. When it's set up here with 2 points, it just hangs. There's no spinning. With 1 point, the boards tend to twist and turn and spin around. And typically, if you're trying to get an even spot, when it's on a 1 point, it always is cockeyed. It's never hangs just exactly the way you want. It's always going to be at an angle. So I would definitely suggest 2 points. I just use these adjustable hanging straps, like 20 bucks. So it looks pretty good, especially for the price. And yes, I have to wear these gloves as I'm doing this video for my own health. But anyways, it works pretty good. Everything, the only thing I will say is there's no protective housing on this thing. So this array it's not covered in a casing or anything like that. So it's definitely for indoor greenhouse use only. I think they're charging for these things around $350 to $400 in that range, maybe up to $450. That's kind of where they're at, which is not bad for that piece of equipment. We'll test it out. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it produces. They do give a disclaimer on here. The product is intended to be used in greenhouses and climate-controlled rooms. The product may not be used in wet or outdoor environments. The product functions optimal when the ambient temperature is between 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. So, I think that's about it. Very hard to turn pages wearing these gloves, just so you know. Any other warranty? Then it's got the warranty information and stuff included here. Again, 1-year warranty on the board. The driver's got a 4-year warranty. So yeah, check them out. DD Lighting Supply. It looks like their website is ddlighting.supply. That is their website. So check them out. I will let you know kind of how the whole thing shakes out as far as how good it works on plants. That remains to be seen, but everything looks pretty good so far. So I will keep you updated on how this performs.